And everybody, oh, I'm recording upside down again. What's going on, everybody? Today I am not working on the Saab because it is rusted together, and hopefully you'll get another part on that soon. I just have a whole lot of footage of me attempting to take things apart that just don't come apart, and then breaking some stuff, and then breaking more stuff, and then it starts raining, and it's just kind of gonna make for a sad part 2 so far. So today I'm going to put a new exhaust tip on the Capri. I'm on my way to pick up Grace, my girlfriend, from college right now, and I'm gonna grab an exhaust tip from O'Reilly's while I'm in town. So this little guy is gonna get some love. It's gonna look a lot better, and I want to get a new antenna. I took it off because the car cover. Eventually I want a center exhaust on this, cut a hole in the bumper, probably have it come out like right there. Where's your gas money, bro? We are back. The tip that I got is a cute little dual exit, and I think it's going to look very good on here. But my one concern is the inlet being too big, even with these adjustment screws. Let's get it moved over to the barn. I know it's not gonna fit, I'm still gonna test it because it's gonna look good. It's hanging down a little bit because it's not snug, but it looks a lot better. So the first thing I'm going to try is finding a replacement hardware that's a little bit longer than these, because that sounds like a better plan than deforming my brand new piece. So I'm gonna take a look around. All right, so this is an original screw, and this is one that I just found. So I got 2 of them, and I think it should be enough. I think I'm gonna have to get some longer screws eventually, but there it is. It's definitely a little too big, but it will get the job done. It's not coming off, that's for sure. And I think that it looks a heck of a lot better than that. One of these days I'll put a glass pack and a 2-inch exhaust on here, and then it'll sound cool. But for now, it's just got holes drilled in the stock muffler by the previous owner. Next video, we are going to be putting a spoiler on. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. This little thing is going to be around for a long time. I've decided I am not selling the Capri ever. It's just too cheap. There's nothing about these cars that isn't affordable, except for the fact that they're a little bit rare now. So I have a lot of plans for this car, one of which is eventually making a rear engine. But until then, thank you for watching and stay tuned for part 2.